Hello, this is Mr. Mullo for lesson 6.7, translation. Alright, so we're doing two things today. We're going to do transformations and translation. Okay, and we're just going to either draw or say how the graph changed. So like for example, this one says move it 4 units to the left. So now I'm going to move all of these 4 units to the left. So t right here is at -5. I'm going to move it 4 units to the left. It's going to be at -9. K is at +1. 4 units to the left would move it to -3. And R is at 0. So 4 units to the left would move it to 4. And then I'm just going to draw my new shape. And the computer might look a little weird because I'm drawing with my finger, but it'll look a lot better when you're drawing on your paper. And then I'm just going to relabel it. So there's my K, there's my T, and there's my R. So you're just translating what it says to do on the paper. This one says it wants to move it 5 units down. Alright, so 5 units down from T. So if it's at 1, it's going to go down to -4. So I should have T right there. Okay, 5 units down from 2 is going to be at -3. There's my R. And 5 units down from 5 is going to be at 5 is going to be at 0. So it's going to look like this now. Alright, some of them get a little more complex where they have 2 steps. So this next one says 3 units to the right and 2 units down. Alright, so let's start at T again. So if I'm going 3 units to the right, I'll be there, and 2 units down. There's the spot for my new T. 3 units to the right and 2 units down. There's the spot for my new R. 3 units to the right and 2 units down. There's the spot for my new K. Alright, so sometimes they're going to have us move the shape. Other times they're just going to ask us what the movement was. So starting from K, it looks like I'm going up from -4 to 2. So I would write up 6. And it looks like I'm going from -8 all the way to +3. So I would say right 11. Okay, important that we don't use the words like over or things like that, because over could be left or right. So we're saying up 6, right 11. Something like this, it says from red to blue, what's the movement? Okay, so from red to blue, so it looks like I'm going left 5, so left 5. It looks like I'm going up 1, 2, 3, up 3. You might want to double check all of them. Okay, so C is going left, yep, that's 5, and up 3. B is going left 5, up 3, yep, pretty confident, it's left 5, up 3. There we go, each point is translated 5 spaces to the left and 3 spaces up. Alright, last one. So from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to go from this one to that one. Alright, C is going down 2 spaces. Okay, so now it's here. It looks like it's going right about 4 spaces. No, sorry, about 6 spaces. Okay, try it with A. So down 2, we put it here. And, yep, about right 6. And B is going down 2. That makes sense. And from -2 to 4. So there we go. So I'm going down 2, right